Monday. Currently it is 5:28 p.m. I'm going to go out for dinner, so I'm going to just take you guys with me. I didn't really do anything eventful this morning, so I just turned the camera on now. I got a haircut if you didn't already notice. Yeah, I got my hair layered. I asked her to try and keep it at the same length because I am in the process of trying to grow my hair out a little bit. But overall, I'm really liking my new hair because the layers kind of make my hair look more styled than it is, so it is very effortless. I just put like hair rolls in my hair to give it a little bit of curl while I'm getting ready. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about my new hair. I have a little bit of time before I leave, so I think I'm just gonna do a little bit of editing. I'll do a quick outfit of the day. I'm pretty sure I've worn this like 10 times in my previous vlogs, but this is just my tank top from H&M, and then I have my gold jewelry from Vitelli, my watch from Casio. I always wear the same watch, and then my beige wide leg pants. This is just like my go-to outfit when it's really hot because it's just really humid. I want to be wearing as less fabric as I can, to be honest. 너 안 나오고 싶어? 안 나와도 돼. This is my friend Yeti. She doesn't like how she looks on the camera right now. But we are at Malatang, and it was so funny because we both went to two different Malatang. But we're all good. We came together now, ordered our food. I literally ordered $28 worth. 잘 먹겠습니다. 잘 먹겠습니다. Finished my meal prep for the week. I'm going to leave them to cool down for a little bit before I close the lid, but yeah, this is my first time meal prepping, so I'm pretty proud. I don't know how they taste like because I haven't taste tested it, but hopefully it tastes alright. Oh, 힘들어. 여보세요. 팔고 일단은 일단 내일은 긴팔이 입고 가요. 팔고 네. 진짜 갑자기 페이스타임 걸려. Hey guys, so today I am out to have brunch with my friend. I'm just waiting for her though in my car because I don't want to have to wait and standing up in line.
Your chicken really said goodbye.
Hello, this is Starbucks. Could I start with the name for the order?
Yeah, Hannah? Yeah, could I please get a strawberry green tea lemonade in the grande size? Could I also get the double, I think it was the double chocolate, 1 second. Thank you. I'm back home in my comfy clothes on my bed, where I always am, with my Starbucks drink. I'm just going to be replying to my business emails that I am running behind on because this whole week I've just been focusing my energy on my new job. So I'm going to get to all the emails today, catch up with all my editing, and I feel like I need to go to the gym because I haven't been to the gym in over like 2 months and basically donating to my gym at this point. Yeah, hopefully I can get things done and fit in some time for the gym. Guess what? I literally just procrastinated for the past 2 hours. Gosh, I'm bad. I'm gonna get back into my work though. I replied to all my business emails. I just have to edit my video. Update. I just reheated my pesto pasta that I meal prepped at the beginning of this week. This is actually all the leftovers from my meal prep, and if I don't eat it today I feel like it's gonna go off, so I'm gonna have that for dinner. To be honest, I haven't really gotten too far with editing. I'm just at this point where I'm trying to edit my collection video right now and it's just me talking on the screen. I'm just getting sick of seeing myself. I don't know if any other people go through the same thing, but I literally struggle to edit my videos because you can only handle so much of yourself and your voice, you know what I mean? Like constantly looking at it. I would edit for 20 minutes and then I swear I'm on my phone for like 40 minutes and then I go back to editing. That's another reason why I struggle. Oh my gosh, I'm still drinking my drink from earlier today. Also, I rate my pesto pasta probably a 4 out of 10. It's so bland. I think I cooked way too much pasta in ratio to the pesto. But hey, at least it has some sort of flavour and I think that's pretty good for my first cooking experience. Today is Thursday and it's actually been probably 4 or 5 days since I last filmed for this vlog, but today I'm going to be doing a little bit of a tag team kind of situation. In the morning I'm seeing my friend Grace and then for dinner I'm seeing my friend Sonia and we're going to watch Eternals. I had my hair up in hair rolls, but because it was no heat I feel like they're already kind of disappearing. Yeah, so I'm just going to try out a few more curls with my straightener here. So my hair is all done now. Today I'm just going for a basic look. I've just got my weekday earrings on and then my padlock necklace and then just my white tank top from Glassons and then my black slacks and just taking this small handbag, mini handbag with me. You look very happy to be with me. So I got a scallop pasta and this is a pumpkin pine nut risotto. We're gonna share it. So, and I got a watermelon frappe as well.
Yeah, we from the north, baby, the cold made me. I know you can't get enough of me, been up lately. Took you down inside my old.
Okay, so we got a cheesecake and a matcha. Yeah, yuzu New York cheesecake and then a matcha.
Let's just stop this again.
Cut. Okay, is it better lighting now?
Yeah.
Okay, here is a New York yuzu cheesecake and then a matcha crepe cake. And then we both got iced matcha frappe.
I won't see you tomorrow. Me and gang been sipping something strong for these sorrows. I work as long as it takes.
So I'm back home and I need to head out to the movies, to dinner first with Sonia, and I think I'm gonna get changed because it's gonna get chillier tonight. I kind of want to wear a beanie, but I don't know if it's like too extra because it's not really beanie season anymore, but like I just want an excuse to wear my new beanie. Okay, so I'm just literally wearing what I wore in like a previous clip, but just with this jumper that I always also wear. I'm just gonna take the beanie along because I feel like it's low-key too hot right now.
Hello. Wait, can I take a picture?
Yeah.
I'm Sonia, guys.
This is Sonia. So we're already like 10 minutes late. That's okay. We'll give you a review after. Oh, we just finished Eternals. Honestly, I was very confused. So Sonia had to explain to me.
It was my first time watching it.
It wasn't bad.
Yeah, it was good.
I can't even see you. It has to be really close, but I'll take a photo. What did you say? You're so assual.
So fun.
Yeah, because you love me. But this beanie looks super cute with like brown. Oh no, I'm putting Sonia's just taking me to my car park because they closed off the area in the shopping centre. How sweet!
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. Thanks for dropping me off to my car.